Why do we sweat? Is it only because we're hot, or is there something much smarter going on? When the body heats up, sweat cools us down, a perfectly intelligent health system. Our brain constantly monitors body temperature. When it detects a rise in temperature, it activates the sweat glands. The sweat reaches the skin, evaporates, and that cools us down. But wait, why does it feel gross? In fact, sweat itself has no smell. The odor appears when bacteria on the skin break down substances in the sweat, and it varies from person to person. But we also sweat when we're stressed. Why? This is a reaction of the nervous system. Our body thinks we're in danger. An exam? An embarrassing moment? The body reacts as if we're being chased. Why do teenagers sweat more? During puberty, hormones go wild and directly affect the sweat glands. It's not your fault you always feel sweaty. Your body is just learning to balance itself. What if we didn't sweat at all? Without sweat, the body could overheat dangerously. Sweat isn't a nuisance, it's a survival mechanism. Sweat is the smartest cooling system in the universe. It's quiet, efficient, and saves us every single day without us noticing. Next time you feel wet, say thank you. Who controls all this? The hypothalamus in the brain is the controller of body temperature. It collects information from the blood and skin and decides when to sweat to cool the body. It activates the sympathetic nervous system, the sweat glands. This is the same system that kicks in during stress, fight or flight. Why do we sweat when we're stressed? Because the brain interprets emotional stress as a threat. It releases adrenaline, and the nervous system reacts as if we're running away from a tiger. Today, the tiger is an exam or a Zoom call. So why are we embarrassed by sweat? Biologically, sweat equals survival. Socially, sweat is seen as dirty or embarrassing. This shows how culture sometimes contradicts science. Something that saves us, we try to hide. Sweat connects the body, brain, emotions, and life. It's not a sign of weakness. It's proof your body is working great. And if you sweat more, it might mean your body is working harder to protect you. If this video made you sweat just thinking about it, give it a like and share. Tell me in the comments, one time you sweated and realized why it happened. See you in the next video.